Ever feel like you're pouring your heart into your blog, but your conversion rates just aren't really reflecting all of that effort? I get it. I've been there and I am working on it. And so I thought I would share with you all the things that I've been working on to see if that would help you. Today, I'm going to be sharing a secret weapon that's going to flip the script and supercharge your conversions. Get ready to turn those casual visitors into loyal customers and elevate your online business to dazzling heights. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about Pinterest, marketing, AI, content creation, and lead generation, sort of all of the marketing areas. If that's something that you want to work on for your business, we would love for you to subscribe. All right. We are diving into what makes people tick when it comes to taking action. From creating lead magnets that people can't resist to crafting call to actions that are pure magic. And a little bit later, I'm going to share a link with you where you can get 80 different calls to action to help you in that endeavor. Understanding the psychology of conversions. First things first, let's get into the psychology behind why people convert. I feel like if you know that, you could really help to make sure that you're doing all the things you need to do to help with that conversion. It all really boils down to offering real value. People are on the lookout for solutions to their problems. And if your content promises to deliver that, then you're already halfway there. But here's the kicker. It's not just about value. You've got to build trust and show credibility. Enter social proof like testimonials or reviews and case studies. All those things say, hey, this works from someone other than yourself. When visitors see the benefits from your services or your digital products, they're more likely to jump on board. Lastly, don't forget about user experience. It is one of the most important things. A seamless, mobile-friendly, easy-to-read size text and easy-to-navigate blog keeps potential customers from bouncing away. If your site is a joy to use, conversions will naturally follow. Crafting irresistible lead magnets. Lead magnets are your secret sauce. Think ebooks and guides and templates and free masterclasses, anything that solves a problem for your audience. To create a lead magnet that hits the mark, you need to know your audience's pain points and desires inside and out. Don't forget that when you create a lead magnet, you are creating a really good piece of content that someone is going to get a win from. They're going to be able to take action from. They're going to be able to absorb it and do something different, which is considered a win to them. And then they'll be more inclined to potentially buy something else or use your services. So of course, your lead magnet should be packed with actionable insights and practical tips that your readers cannot find somewhere else. Make it visually appealing and easy to digest with engaging graphics and clear formatting. Add a sense of urgency or exclusivity to make it even more irresistible. The power of compelling call to actions or CTAs. Your CTAs need to be clear, concise, and action-oriented. Use really strong actions and verbs and make sure that they stand out on your page. Adding a sense of urgency or highlighting the benefits can also boost effectiveness. Position them strategically throughout your blog to catch readers at the right moment. Building trust through social proof. Trust is everything. Use testimonials, reviews, user-generated content, all to show that real people love what you're offering, what you're teaching, how you're helping them. The more trust you build, the higher your conversions will be. Optimizing user experience for higher conversions. A smooth user experience is key. Make sure that your blog is mobile-friendly and it loads quickly. FYI, large images are usually the biggest culprit to slowing down a website page. A clean, organized layout helps visitors find what they need without frustration. And of course, your content should always be valuable and relevant, keeping readers engaged and coming back for more. If you want a little bit of help or a lot of bit of help, I have a vault. So you only have to sign in once and you can download anything and everything that you want. I've got master classes on there. I have all kinds of things. But the one thing that is really relevant to this video is my 80 calls to action. I put that out there for people to use call to actions on Pinterest, but you can also use these in your blogs as well. So go grab it. It's totally free, thepinterestqueen.com/resources. So there you have it, the secret weapon to boost your blog conversion rates. Focus on understanding what drives conversions, create irresistible lead magnets, use compelling call to actions, build trust with social proof, and optimize your user experience. With those strategies in your toolkit, you are all set to see your conversion rates soar. Go get them and comment below and let me know how it works.